Is wrongful termination different from unfair dismissal? In today's labor and employment law landscape, many people are asking, is wrongful termination different from unfair dismissal? This question is gaining traction as workers become more aware of their rights. Understanding these terms is essential, especially in light of recent legal developments. Wrongful termination and unfair dismissal are indeed related but distinct concepts. Wrongful termination typically occurs when an employer fires an employee in violation of legal rights or contractual terms. This can include firing based on discrimination, such as race, gender, or disability. It can also involve retaliation against an employee for engaging in protected activities, like reporting harassment or filing a complaint. For instance, if an employer terminates an employee due to their protected status under laws like the California Fair Employment and Housing Act, that may qualify as wrongful termination. Similarly, if the termination breaches the terms of a written or implied contract, it can also be deemed wrongful. On the other hand, unfair dismissal is a legal term often used in jurisdictions like the United Kingdom and Australia. This concept focuses on whether the dismissal was harsh, unjust, or unreasonable according to employment standards and procedures. Employees may claim unfair dismissal if they believe their termination lacked a fair reason or proper process. For example, in Australia, employees can file unfair dismissal claims if they think their dismissal was not justified, even if it does not violate a specific law or contract. In the United Kingdom, protections against unfair dismissal may require employees to have worked for a certain period before gaining this right. Recent proposals aim to extend protections from day one of employment. In essence, wrongful termination is a broader term that covers illegal firings or those that violate contractual obligations. Unfair dismissal, however, centers on the fairness and reasonableness of the termination process. Both concepts provide avenues for employees to challenge their dismissal but arise from different legal frameworks and criteria. As the conversation around workers' rights continues to evolve, staying informed about these distinctions is more important than ever. Whether you are an employee or an employer, understanding these terms can help navigate the complexities of labor and employment law.